Hi, I'm Amy Sermon, and today in this short video I'm going to show you how to make these simple heart charm earrings. We're going to be using these silver plated ear wires with a small bead detail on one end and some silver plated heart charms. Here's a simple project that we're going to be doing, simply adding a charm onto an ear wire. So we take the ear wire and our charm, thread it through the loop all the way round to sit inside the loop in the ear wire and then squeeze together with the chain nose pliers. Now if you see, the chain nose pliers are flat on the inner edge, so you're able to push that together nice and smoothly. Let's pull that all the way around there and then squeeze together, making sure the bead is touching the loop so the charm can't fall off. There we go. All the materials and tools needed for today's tutorial can be purchased on our website via the links in the comments below. Thanks for watching.